इस वक्त हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक फेमस यूट्यूबर से मिलने जो कि बेल्जियम का है, नाम है ब्रेक के साथ हमारा आज डिनर जो है ऐलान है। हमारे जुबैर भाई कुछ कहेंगे इस बारे में?
यार आदिब भाई, बस मैं तो कोशिश कर रहा हूँ इंग्लिश बोलने की ना। इंशाल्लाह मैं बोलूँगा अस्सलाम वालेकुम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, माय नेम इज मोहम्मद जुबैर और मैं आई लिव इन कराची।
नहीं आप लीव कर बोलेगा, आप लीव कर दे कराची प्लीज।
यकीन करो, आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश।
Yes, you can speak, bro. You can speak. You're in English. Good country.
Yeah.
Karachi is your good country.
Mr. Break, are you comfortable in this car?
Yes, I'm very comfortable.
नहीं कितने अर्सा हो गया पाकिस्तान में, आपको कहाँ जाने का?
So, how long you have been in Pakistan?
I've been here for almost a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how was the overall experience in Pakistan?
So far, it's been really good. People are really hospitable here. Like really nice, to be honest. So
Alright,
I have only
alright.
good things to say, to be honest.
Yeah. You know, most of the time, the people outside say about Pakistan like it's a dangerous country. It's not safe to go there. So, what do you say about these people?
Yeah, to be honest, even in Belgium, like when I said I was coming here, a lot of people said, "Oh, why you go there? It's so dangerous." So people have this like they think that it's really dangerous here, and probably there are some areas here where you should be careful. But
Yes.
Yeah.
like
You should be careful
like every
anywhere,
country,
in,
you know? Of
in any
course,
country.
Yeah, when you go to London or to Brussels, my capital, it will be the same. There will be some places where you need to be careful.
Yeah.
So I think Pakistan is the same, but overall, like if you're just careful and you look after your stuff, I think it's quite safe actually. And I
Yeah.
think most people what they say is bullshit, to be honest.
Yeah, that's bullshit.
क्या कह रहे हैं जुबैर भाई?
क्या बोल रहे हो जुबैर भाई?
जुबैर भाई क्या कह रहे हैं? कॉन्फिडेंस क्या है? Go in my English. Go in my confidence.
Confidence के बीच हो जाओ।
Yes. Hey, hurry. I
हरी
can
नहीं
speak
है,
English very well.
ब्रेक है।
Yes,
break.
English is really good.
His English freaked me out.
ये खुद अपनी
I
इंग्लिश भूल
I
गया।
understand everything. I understand everything, almost everything, almost.
He forget the English.
After my English.
जुबैर भाई ने कुरंगी की इंग्लिश सिखा दी इसको।
English is also a second language for me.
Second
Sometimes
language, yes.
it's also
First
like
language
brain
is
fart.
Belgium. Yes, I can speak.
Yeah.
जुबैर भाई के जुबैर भाई 5 रुपए कटेंगे ओवर एक्टिंग के।
अबे दिल गार्डन हो रहे हैं।
असल मसला ये जुबैर मैंने पहली बार सफेद चमड़ी देखी है। गुलाम कौम है हम लोग। जुबैर भाई क्या हो गया? मुझे देख ले, मैं भी तो गोरा हूँ यार।
Yes, man, no, लेकिन man, I can't talk to Urdu man.
Okay, you can't talk Urdu. You can't Ragdi. You can talk in Ragdi.
Today I will break leg and head of English. Yes.
What will you do? Break head and leg.
Yes,
He's going to destroy English, bro.
He's going to destroy.
Yes.
नहीं भाई, ना क्या bitch हो गए? You're one funny man.
What will you say? I can speak
Yes.
after some time.
After some time, you will be able to
Yes,
speak.
yes, yes,
You have
man.
to practice a lot, then you will
Practice,
be able to
yes.
speak. For me, it was the same. I need to
Yeah,
speak a lot.
Inshallah, we are talking
Yeah.
on the Nile पे
यार कसम से यार जुबैर भाई तुमने बेचारे को परेशान कर दिया।
So all my stories from India.
अभी हमने शॉर्ट रास्ता लेके शाह फैसल पहुंचे हैं। बहुत ट्रैफिक जाम था और बस आने वाला है और पहुंच जाएंगे हम लोग इंशाल्लाह। रेड ओवन मटका बिरयानी पे ऑर्डर दे चुके हैं वहाँ मटके का। वहाँ पहुंचते हैं अपने को मटका मिल जाएगा। This area name is Shah Faisal Colony.
Okay.
It's a famous for food and chapli kebab and biryani.
Okay.
And
And here is the best biryani.
here's the best
that
biryani.
is good.
Karachi.
And one of the best school in here, Jamia Farooqiya, for the Islamic school.
Yes.
हम लोग रेड ओवन मटका बिरयानी पहुंच चुके हैं। The biryani make it on in pot.
Okay.
He makes yes. हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं और भाई को दिखाया है कि किस तरीके से मटका बिरयानी यहाँ बनती है कराची के अंदर। Are you excited for the eat biryani?
I'm really excited to try the biryani here. So we'll see. I hope it's good.
Yeah, inshallah. Which city you visit in India?
So in India, I flew to Delhi, and then from there did like the Golden Triangle. So like from Delhi to Agra to Jaipur, I
Okay.
visit Taj Mahal in Jaipur, and then after that I did Amritsar, I did
Amritsar.
Golden Temple and Wagah border,
Okay.
and after that I went to Kashmir and Ladakh. I went to the mountains north.
Did you?
Oh, Kashmir
go to
also.
Ladakh?
Yes, I went to Ladakh.
Ladakh is an amazing place.
If you go in the Huzza and Skardu,
Yeah. Is the biryani spicy?
No, for you some spicy, or for us very spicy.
Okay.
Because we are liking like this, keep out smoke in the mouth and backside.
Yeah. You can handle the spiciness. For me, I'm not used to the spicy food. Thank you very much.
We are spicy lover.
so biryani is here. It's white biryani.
Okay.
And it's
The best
made.
biryani?
Yeah, it's the best biryani, and
best
it's,
Best biryani in Karachi.
Okay. Yeah.
and it's made in beef. Do you like beef?
I like beef. Ah, it's beef biryani.
Yeah, it's a beef biryani.
Even better. I think beef.
Spicy है बगैर spicy वाला है. ये spicy है. Yeah, it's a spicy, and that one is less spicy.
Okay, this one is spicy.
This one is a spicy,
And that one.
and less spicy.
Yeah, this for me less spicy.
It's for you and Naim bhai.
Yeah.
Naim bhai also eat less spicy.
Yeah, yeah,
Because he is Lori.
Lori.
Lori can't eat spicy.
Lori is the card is
Okay,
spicy.
Okay. It's everything is less spicy.
Yeah. That's why you live in 100 years, and
Yeah.
we are dead in 60
You
years.
think so? You think so?
We died in 60 years.
Because of the spiciness.
Yeah. We all Pakistani dead in 60 years, 70 years.
Yeah, I
And
don't
you
think
live in 100 years.
I don't think it's because the spiciness, to be honest. And get a bit of this. Yes, for you. Yes, good. I don't know how to sit like.
ऐसे ना.
So how is the taste?
How was the taste?
Mixed. Really good, yeah. It's a little bit spicy, but it's good. Like, it's actually really nice.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आपने दोनों इस वक्त खत्म कर दिए हैं और ब्रिक से मालूम करेंगे कि ब्रिक हाउ द फूड.
The food was really amazing. Probably the best biryani I've had so far in Karachi. So yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Do you like the way of the making? He's making the pot
Yeah.
and a call.
Yeah, it's really interesting way of making the foods. I've not really seen this, but yeah, really interesting.
Don't burn. You know when we
It's a call
leave
cook.
it on fire, sometimes it's burnt during making. But
Yeah, yeah.
when on cold, it's not burnt.
Yeah, it doesn't
See,
burn.
every rice is like.
Yeah, it's perfectly like really good. Yeah.
नमाज पढ़ी है और बिल्ली हमारे पास आगे बढ़ गई है.
You like it?
I have 3 cats at home.
So अभी हम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमने नमाज पढ़ ली है और ब्रिक भाई को भी खाना पसंद आ गया तो हमारे माशाल्लाह अभी सामने दावत भी दे दी है उनको और अभी जिसको चाय पिलाने लेके जा रहे हैं. So Brick, let's go for the tea.
Let's go for tea now. Yeah. We have eaten some food. We went to the mosque. Now we get some tea.
Barik, say about the Zubair English. How's it?
Yeah, I think his English here
Yeah.
behind me
Behind
is maybe the best English from anyone here in the car.
Okay.
Yes.
You won my heart.
Actually, he
Do
learned
you
the
know
most-
he's from Korangi?
from where?
Korangi.
From
Korangi.
He's from Korangi. The biggest area in the Karachi.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Most famous in Pakistan.
Most famous
Most
in
famous.
Pakistan.
I will teach you English, huh?
You can actually.
You can speak
I
very
will
well.
save your number. Maybe you can give me some English lessons.
You can speak very well after.
Yeah. After I meet with you, I will be perfect at English.
Inshallah.
Thank you. You're my teacher.
तो फाइनली और हम चाय पीने आ गए हैं. लेट्स गो फॉर द टी. इट्स कोयटा आलमगीर और ये भाई हमारे नर्सरी में ही रुके हुए हैं होटल में तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे आ गए कोयटा आलमगीर की चाय पीने.
So I think the reason why Pakistan is not so famous for travelers is because most travelers they want to party or drink after at night, and so for example they go to India and they go there to Goa, they go to the beach, party, drink, and in Pakistan you don't really have that.
Yes.
So that's the reason why it's difficult for Pakistan to attract a lot of foreigners. But some people who want to explore like culture and foods, they can come to Pakistan. So maybe if the government invests in this, then more people will be coming here.
Okay, Brick, nice to meet you.
Really nice to meet you.
Do you enjoy it? Like this
I really
day?
enjoyed it. I think this was probably one of my best days in Karachi.
Okay.
Yeah, I really
Your
liked it.
English many time थोड़ी उर्दू भी बोल के दिखा उर्दू आती है आपको
Do you know Urdu language?
I know a little bit Urdu.
Little bit,
Some, little bit.
Yes.
मेरा नाम ब्रिक हूँ. मेरा नाम
Yes.
ब्रिक हूँ. मैं बेल्जियम से हूँ.
Okay.
मैं उर्दू बोलता हूँ.
बहुत है
अच्छा अच्छा मेरी इंग्लिश कैसी लगी
सीख रहा हूँ.
How is English?
My English in
His
Urdu
English?
say in English
You Urdu. अच्छा.
अच्छा
बहुत अच्छा.
He need to teach English.
he's like
बहुत अच्छा.
Bolo, he is from Korangi.
From Karachi.
Korangi.
Korangi.
Korangi English is beautiful. Say.
Beautiful. Okay.
all Pakistan is the best Korangi
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
I like it. It's good.